Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm at Walney Island. I'm on the south side of the island. I thought while I'm here and the weather's not great, I would do a bit of a van tour. So making my way around. Just a few things to point out. Magnetic mounts. I can stick my phone on there. I can stick my keys on there. We've got the toilet, the obligatory toilet, and we have underneath that a leisure battery, 120 amp hour battery. And we've got a little bit of greenery just to make it a little more homely. Up there we've got an incredibly powerful light that's 12 volt and it runs off, as you can see, incredibly bright. And it runs off the VTO Man 1500 amp, 1500 watt hour battery. Here we have the sink. It's essentially the same as the toilet, but I've made some slight adjustments. So we've got a wooden top, there's a work surface. In there we've got a 3D printed strainer, and there we have, bear with me, there we have a battery operated tap, which essentially gives me the option of a running water. Look at that, brilliant. On the back there we've got dish soap, we've got body wash, we've got some herbs, we've got the excuse me, we've got the grey water, pink for the toilet flush, we've got blue for the chemical toilet, and a second blue for the chemical toilet. Working my way around, we've got the various utensils there, also with 3D printed brackets for the cupboard at the back there. Shove myself forward a little bit. Here we have my little travelling companion. She keeps me in check. We've got a tablet there which is adjustable, comes out, swivelable bubble. And then we've got a collapsible bowl. We've got a fire maple pan. We've got a thermal mug in there, and we've got a kettle which you can't see. The obligatory CO meter and temperature and humidity. Okay, here we have a 3D printed toilet holder. Excuse me, and we've got a Victron 7515 MPPT controller. Solar goes into that, and it goes to the leisure batteries in that direction. Back out from the leisure batteries, the power comes 12 volt and into there. So that keeps this topped up, currently at 99% and charging at 93 watts per hour. We've got 4 USB outputs here, USB-A that is, and then we've got 2 USB-Cs. That goes to the diesel heater, which I've not mentioned. That's the diesel heater there. And I can't remember where that goes. That one goes to the fridge freezer, which is up front here, which is a U-Homey. Currently at 5 Celsius. I tend to keep it around about 2 to 3 Celsius. And in there we've got all the goodies that I need for a significant time away. Just looking at the window covers. Essentially this is a camp mat which I've covered in sort of a soft dark fabric with an overlap, and the good thing about the overlap here is it does cut out any light incredibly well. So this is the left hand window, so basically that just pops in there. Incredibly easy and incredibly effective. And to pull it away, just on that tab there, and just tuck it down the side there of the freezer. Okie dokie, right, continuing round. Where did I get to? Yeah, in there we've got a little fan which runs off USB, bags for rubbish, water spray. That's really important in summer when you're in your car. You put your fan on and then you just spray yourself with water, and it's wonderful. It keeps you nice and cool. Okie dokie. Beyond my travelling companion we have a toaster here. You'll see those little black things there, those are 3D printed. Essentially it means I can keep my toaster there without it moving whilst I'm driving. The same with the electric hob. 2 3D printed mounts there, and again that's good and solid. That's going nowhere. So yes, got a diesel heater as well, and beyond that I've got a little 300 watt heater as well. And that's about it. No, one more thing. That's where I keep all my clothes. Thanks for watching. You take care.